highly sensitive process, the rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
The initial inspection phase commences with non-destructive testing on the raw propellant material, ensuring zero internal defects before further processing.
A highly sensitive process. The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
Highly sensitive, the ACES-2 rocket motor installation demands perfection. As the solid propellant moves along the track,
The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified, ensuring immediate and safe pilot extraction. A highly sensitive process, the rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
Ensuring the propellant segment fits perfectly, a laser micrometer confirms all angles are within a 5-micron tolerance. The geometrically precise propellant segments glide rapidly, protected by a maintained inert gas atmosphere to prevent
a high-precision robotic nozzle applies a thin, uniform layer of ablative material, crucial for thermal insulation.
The motor casing is placed into an induction heating coil, applying a controlled heat pulse, ensuring the liner adheres permanently before rapid cooling.
The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified, ensuring immediate and safe pilot extraction.
Check the sensor inputs on the main channel.
Reading stable. Certification complete.
A highly sensitive process, the rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
A highly sensitive process. The ACES NORAD ejection seat undergoes intense multi-axis
Check the rocket motor insulation.
Installation clear. Tags verified and secure.
Acknowledged. Seal the container.
Mount points confirmed secure.
Roger that. Manifest signed off. Clear for departure.
A highly sensitive process. The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
Verify the seal, B.
Confirmed. Certification is current.
The ACES-2 installation is a highly sensitive process, ensuring immediate and safe pilot extraction.
Torque set on the main pins.
Confirmed. Lock status is green. Checklist complete.
The technician links the seat's firing circuits to the jet's central emergency system via the umbilical connector.
Tow is proceeding smoothly, crossing the threshold now.
Roger that. Keep monitoring the hydraulics in the cold.
The pilot secures the ACES-2 harness, connecting the life support lines. The final step is checking the firing handle.
ACES-2 status, green. Canopy sequence, check complete. Handle linkage engaged.
A highly sensitive process. The rocket motor components are installed and transported
A highly sensitive process. The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified.
The rocket motor components for the ACES-2 ejection seat are installed and safety certified, ensuring immediate and safe pilot extraction.
Safety pins engaged on the ACES-2. System is safe.
Inspector confirms. Sign off on block 12.
Torque checks complete on the lower initiator bolts.
Confirmed. Logging the reading now. System shows green.
Rocket motor installed and safety clipped. Thumbs up.
Certification confirmed. On the pad, you are clear.
A highly sensitive process. The extraction of these pins transforms the pyrotechnic components into a life-saving escape mechanism.
A highly sensitive process. The ACES-2 ejection seat is certified, ensuring immediate and safe pilot extraction.
Rocket breaking on solid cell. How does the cylinder infuse it but indicted in so much that they're likely to escape no matters?
A highly sensitive process. The ACES-2 rocket motor installation ensures immediate pilot extraction, transforming components